Assalamu alaikum. This geometry for class 7, chapter 9.2c. In triangle ABC greater than ACB, D is the midpoint of the side BC. Draw the figure based on information. So, based on information, you see, based on the stem figure, we can see ABC angle greater than ACB angle, and D is the midpoint. Based on the information, the figure is drawn. Now B, show that AC greater than AB. We have to prove that this AC is greater than AB. Now, given in triangle ABC greater than AC, it is required to prove that AC greater than AB. Construction: let cut AD equal to AB from AC. First we have to cut from AD equal to AB from AC and join BD. Now in triangle ABD, AD equal to BD, therefore this angle equal to this angle, isosceles triangle. Now in CBD triangle, we see this is ADB is the exterior angle and DCB is interior angle. ADB greater than DCB. If ADB greater than DCB, therefore ABD also greater than DCB, because ADB equal to ABD. Therefore ABC greater than ACB. ABC greater than ACB, this is greater angle and AC is the opposite side. Therefore AC greater than, this is a smaller angle, its opposite side is AB. Therefore AC greater than AB. This explained here. A statement is given here. Cut AD equal to from side as AD equal to AB from side AC and join BD in triangle ABD. AB equal to AD, therefore angle ABD equal to ADB. ADB is the exterior angle of DBC and ADB greater than DCB. ADB greater than DCB. Therefore ABC greater than DCB and ABC greater than ACB. Therefore AC greater than AB, opposite side of greater angle. This proof. The next question is, prove that AB plus AC greater than twice AD. See here AB plus AC, we have to prove that if we join AD, AB plus AC greater than twice AD, we have to prove this. See, let ABC greater than CB in triangle ABC, like this triangle. D is the midpoint of BC and D is the midpoint of BC. Now it is required to prove that AB plus AC greater than twice AD. Now we have to prove that AB plus AC greater, if we join AD, then greater than twice AD, we have to prove that. Construction: AD join and extend to CDs. Let join AD and extend up to E, so that AD equal to AE and join C This is the construction. Now see, in this triangle BD equal to C, these two triangle ADB and CDE, between two triangle BD equal to CD and AD equal to ED, and this angle ADB angle equal to CDE angle, these two vertically opposite angle. Now we are getting this side equal to this side, these two side equal to this two side, this angle equal to this angle, So both the triangle congruent. If both the triangle congruent, then CE equal to AB. CE equal to AB. You are getting this. Now see, figure is given here. Prove. See, prove between triangle ADB and CED, we are getting BD equal to CD and AD equal to ED and angle ADB equal to CDE. We are getting this. Now see, ADB, this triangle ADB congruent to CDE. Therefore, ADB congruent to CDE and AB equal to CE. Now, in this triangle, in AEC triangle, see, in AEC triangle, we can see AC plus CE greater than AE. AC plus CE greater than AE. Therefore, AC plus AB greater than AE. Because CE equal to AB, therefore AC plus AB greater than AE. This is written here. AB plus AC greater than AE. AE equal to AD plus DE. A equal to AD plus DE. See now, AB plus AC greater than AD plus DE. Again AB plus AC greater than DE. D equal to AD. Therefore AD plus AD. Because D equal to AD plus AD equal to twice AD. The statement is written here. You see, copy and practice this. Note this statement. Thank you.